To other news, a Portland family is homeless this evening after their 6-bedroom home was gutted by fire. A thick cloud of smoke greeted them when they arrived at the Anchovy housing scheme in Port Antonio from church sometime after 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon. 2 units from the Port Antonio and Buff Bay stations, that's fire stations, responded but reportedly ran out of water. TVJ News understands that firefighters attempted to refill from nearby hydrants, but there was no water in them. It's further understood that prior to the fire, the community was without water for at least 24 hours. The family was shaken up by the incident and did not want to speak on camera. PNP candidate for Portland Eastern, Isaac Buchanan, was in the area at the time of the incident.
To see that the fire department, they responded quickly, accurately, but there was no water. And then the delay with the water trucks coming and the force and power that is needed to out the fire. We've been here a while, and the coordination. And the irony is that the water is across the street where the trucks fill up. And here we have it, we cannot even get the water to respond.